Wow, cube fell down. One piece of the cube came out. So all the fruit cubes are sorted. So let me take out this regular cube. Hello cubers, welcome to RSCUBERZ. For many days we have not posted any videos, so this video is all about giveaway and unboxing. Okay, so I have ordered some cubes. So today's video is going to be of some fruit cubes. Okay, fruit shaped puzzles I'm going to show. So I have the cubes with me. So yeah, you have to watch this full video. You will know about many different types of cubes, and from now I'll be active on this YouTube channel also, sharing a lot of knowledge about cubing. Already you can see in my past videos there are many knowledge about memory games, cubing and everything. But from now onwards, we are going to start some unboxing also and giveaways for kids. Okay, so yeah, so I have the cubes. In this video, let me tell in starting only. So I'm going to give some ask some questions, and that answers I'm going to ask in a Google form. So in this giveaway, in the description there will be a link given of a Google form, and you have to answer following questions. So for that you need to watch the full video, and then only you can avail the giveaway. At the end of the video, I'm going to explain that how you can get that giveaway at your place. So you can see like in past videos also there were participants who won the giveaway, some participant has won 3x3 cubes and differently. So for now we have fruit shaped cubes. Okay, so let's start. I have a box with me. I'll just keep it over here and take out the cubes. Yeah. So I have all the cubes went down. Okay, it's okay. So wow, there are many different types of cubes other than fruit cubes. So yeah, let me sort out the fruit cubes first, and then we'll start with the video. Yeah, so all the fruit cubes are sorted. So let me take out this regular cubes. Okay, so we have our fruit cubes now. Let's start with the one by one unboxing of fruit cubes. So I have fruit series peach cube. Inspire your creativity. Wow, how they've written inspire your creativity. So this is a really creative cube, I think. So yeah, I have a solution guide. Okay, and then we have a peach. Wow, that's really fantastic. Let me see how it is moving. Oh, so it has 3 layers. I'm not going to scramble it, so video will get too long. I'll scramble it, I'll solve it, scramble it, solve it. So yeah, this is a peach cube. So this cube is also going to be for giveaway. So let me keep it over here. Those who like peach, they can just comment. Okay. So I'll keep a box over here, okay, of this peach cube and the cube, and there's the guide. Then next we have orange cube. Okay, this gives vitamin C. So any question I can ask in the giveaway Google form. So in orange cube again we have this. Oh wow, see the packing, how it is. See, it's like this, and orange is over here. So let me take out the orange fruit. I'm just taking out the orange fruit, but there is no pieces I can see. Oh, this cube is so cute, I tell you, but still, which is the center and everything. Okay, so I'm not going to scramble this also, but still, the speed is good. Like we can see it normal. Yeah, this here salt. See, like this it gets scrambled, but I'm not going to scramble it. Anyways, I'll keep the fruit orange over here. Then I have peach. So which will be the next cube we will be taking? Okay, I have banana and pear. Oh, orange is going where? Let me keep it like this. Yeah, like this. For this also like this. Yeah. So yes, we have banana cube and pear cube. So which one? Many a times I eat banana, so I'll open banana. Yeah. Okay, so it's packed with tape. Box it. So all the cubes which are here I'm going to go give for giveaway. If needed more, I'll order more. Here it is unboxed. And let me take out this. Oh, wonderful. The banana is out. And what is the color inside this? Oh, the banana is inside. It is. Oh, see. Inside also it is yellow. I thought it would be white because banana is white inside. Good mechanism. Banana cube. Okay. So yeah, solving these fruit shaped puzzles are very creative. Different shapes are there. So it triggers our mind that what will be the solution for it. So you all should practice it. Mainly for cubers. Practicing same thing. Sometimes becomes boring. But yeah, we have some fruit cubes. So let me keep banana cube over here. I'll keep it like this. Yeah. So banana cube, fruit series banana cube. We have now the pear cube. We do also have apple cube, but I don't have right now with me. So in part 2 video, we have more cubes, like the cubes went down. Will be in the part 2 video we will be doing. So I have the pear cube now. Oh, such a wonderful packing. For pear cube also you can see. When I'm taking this out, there is a pear and the pear is coming out. What if the original fruits will be having packing like this? How costly it would be. Let me keep this pear like this. Oh. Nothing is coming out. There was a guide. Yeah. So yeah, I'll keep the pear cube guide and pear cube box over here. So wow. Peach and pear. So oh, this speed is also good. While twisting this, I was imagining the sound of a bike. Like, so this cube shapes are a little bit different if we observe. Like the center, edge, corner. I'll just try to rotate it once. Which is the perfect rotation, which is getting confused. This is the perfect rotation. So this cube needs to be in a perfect way, then only it rotates. Yeah. See. In a perfect line. I was getting confused because in the starting I moved like this. Now it got moved. See? So yeah, pear is right inside. So this cube is good. Then, oh my god, pear went down. Oh, cube fell down. One piece of the cube came out. So, let me fix it. I was going to show you something and this went down. So yeah, so there is one more cube which I am going to show you. I hope it's not visible till now. At the end of the video, I'll show that. Till that time, let me give you the instructions for the giveaway. So these are the 4 types right now with me. And one more type which I'm going to show at the end of the video. So I have pear, orange, peach and banana. All the 4 types of cubes I'm going to give for giveaway. So what are the instructions for the giveaway? So as I told in the starting, in the description I'm going to give a link of a Google form where you have to fill up your details and some questions I'm going to ask from this video itself. Okay, so anything I can ask, what was the color of this cube or anything, whatever we discussed in the video. Did the cube fell down? Whatever, any question can come. Yeah. So yes. So what are the things is you have to answer 3 questions from this video. Okay. Secondly, you have to bring 3 subscribers and upload the screenshot. 3 subscribers to this YouTube channel and 3 followers also to my Instagram page. Recently I have changed my Instagram ID. Like in YouTube it's RSCUBERZ, but for Instagram I have kept raj.sutar_. So that ID you can follow, make your 3 friends follow. So there is a lot of knowledge I'm sharing, and make sure you watch the full video to get your giveaway. Okay, so these are some basic 3 questions and 3 subscribers, 3 followers. And in that Google form, you also upload your address and everything for giveaway. So whatever will be needed, and the winners will be taken out. So this giveaway I'm going to do on around 5th or 6th of February, and on 5th of February only we'll get the part 2 video. Okay, so we will shoot a part 2 video in which there will be more different types of cubes which are remaining. So that cubes I'm going to show. Okay, so yeah, these are the some rules for giveaway. So the last cube which I'm going to show is right now. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is what I have, a heart cube. So this is a heart cube. So watch this heart and press the heart button on the Instagram, the like button on the Instagram, and here the like button is like this. So press the heart buttons and at least try to get this video more than 200 likes. Okay, views should be 1000 and above only, but yes, share with your friends. More people should know about this and more giveaways will come. Your likes, your shares, your subscribers, your followers will motivate me to get more giveaway videos and to get more content about cubes. Yeah, so later I'm going to bring the content for speed cubes also. Okay, so this is a hard cube. So like this only you give likes, and yeah, those kids who are learning from me in the RSA Academy, for them also this giveaways are there. Yeah, so some important announcements. As I told you, my Instagram ID is changeraj.sutar_. Secondly, many courses are coming up in RSCI. So if you want to enroll in any of the courses for starting age of 4 years to 40, we have corporate programs also, still 45, 50 years, whatever is your age, cubing has no age. So you can enroll in the programs. There are many memory programs coming up. RSCI has also launched a playing platform for kids, which is RSCI Playground, where you can practice maths, memory skills. So that link also I'll share in the chat box. Bhai, ruko. There is one thing remaining. So this giveaway is only for the first 10 participants. Okay, so yeah, thank you.